Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Freiburg University account. So let's get started. So to log into your Freiburg University account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Freiburg University login. So after searching for that, you will come up to this page, and after coming up to this page, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says Logins University. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which says ILIAS Student Platform. And now what you can do is just simply tap on register/login, which is on the top left corner of your screen. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is just tap on this option which says Enmilden or login. So now what you can do is just tap on this option which says Enmilden/login. And from here what you can do is just enter your user identification and then enter your account's password. So after entering your user's identification and password, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Freiburg account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.